Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of using Goodbudget on multiple phones. Yes, you can use Goodbudget on multiple phones and other devices like tablets or computers. This is one of the app's key features, allowing you to share a budget with family members or simply access your finances from all your devices. To do this, you just need to download the Goodbudget app and log in using the same household username or email address and password on each device. The app is designed to sync automatically, so any changes made on one device will be reflected on the others in real time. It's important to know that the free version of Goodbudget has a limit of up to 2 mobile devices, while the paid premium version allows you to sync with up to 5 mobile devices. Logging in on the web version of Goodbudget, however, doesn't count against these device limits. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.